Hello everyone, this is Weston's Weatherwise with another video. In today's video, we are going to be breaking down the upcoming severe weather and tornado season, as you can tell by clicking on this video. Starting off with our first layer, I think we will be well below average up here in the Pacific Northwest. I do anticipate we will get a few severe thunderstorms up here, and maybe even a couple tornado warnings, maybe a brief tornado, but nothing too crazy. Adding on our next layer, I do expect to see a below average, but due mainly across that area, so across this whole orange area, I do anticipate to see some severe warnings, a couple tornadoes, but nothing too out of the ordinary. Adding on our next layer, though, slightly below average. It's going to be kind of a average severe weather season, you could say, but maybe a few less tornadoes than usual. So I do anticipate quite a few severe thunderstorms in this area, but not a lot of tornadoes. Adding our next layer, this is the above average layer. Now, with the above average layer, I do expect a couple more tornado warnings, definitely less than last year. But up here in the Northeast is somewhere worth noting, right here. I do anticipate that we are actually going to see a above average year, and you could even put it as a well above average up here, as you do not see severe weather that often. So that is something we'll have to watch for. Back through the plains, I do anticipate multiple tornadoes, quite a few, I should say, but I feel like our highest severe weather is going to stay confined to the Dixie Valley and parts of Florida. Sorry about that. Now, with this next area, I feel that here, our greatest severe weather potential, for the most part, is going to be across portions of very far southeast Oklahoma, along with parts of central Texas into northern Louisiana, through portions of northern Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, most of South Carolina, and even parts of North Carolina. Well above average, quite a few tornadoes. And then extremely above average here in this layer, I feel down here in Florida is going to be because hurricanes. Even across this whole area, I feel we're going to be well above average because of hurricanes that are going to happen up here. Here's my tornado map. I do expect one tornado or even less, so 0 tornadoes and maybe 1 in Alaska. I do expect two tornadoes here in Hawaii. Across all of the Northeast, I anticipate 4+ tornadoes. So anywhere in this area, I expect to see 4 tornadoes or more. Now, as you can tell, the greatest number over here in Florida, 130+, along with over here in Mississippi at 125+. As you can tell, up here in this well below average and below average, not seeing very many tornadoes. In that next layer across here, you can see not seeing the most. Colorado, we are seeing 26 and 28 over here in Arizona. But that's only 20s. As we get here through all of the plains here, you can tell the numbers slightly increase as you go farther to the south. Here, kind of the same thing. It's kind of a bigger jump, though, from 7 to 56 in Iowa from Minnesota. But then a 10 to 38, a 38 down to like a 125. But as you can tell, greatest severe weather across this area. Our next zone is more across that area. then across this area for our next greatest. Then the rest is just kind of all the same. Not the worst zone and very few. Hope you guys all did enjoy today's video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you did enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.